Reset your oil maintenance light. If you have a push start, all you have to do is hit the push start along with touching the reset for the odometer trip. And the odometer trip's on the lower left, and your push start, of course, is on the right. Hold it once without your brake pedal on. Press it again and keep on holding it. Okay, you see the dashes are going down. It's all zero, and you're done. So let me see when I restart it. It's all reset. Now the vehicle stability control, that's because of the I need an O2 sensor. So no matter what codes it sets off, it could be even something minor than an O2 sensor. It's always going to put the check VSC on, and also the that red triangle goes on, which is kind of lame. It makes it seem like it's more severe than it really is, and the VSC does still work. So I don't know why they do that. Anyway, that's how to reset your maintenance light.